out here? Is it your first time?
Second time.
Nice. It's a beautiful place with lots of traffic. Right now is the densiest time.
But so busy.
Yeah, 4 to 6 is going to be the craziest time right now.
Yeah.
Where you guys going? Dinner?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheesecake
Oh,
Factory.
Cheesecake Factory. Cool.
I hope not busy today. Waiting more than 1 hour.
Oh yeah, everywhere you go here is busy. That's one thing I learned about this island. See, I didn't even have a chance to drop you off. I'm already getting another ride, and I really don't want it.
What's your bird's name?
His name is Coco.
Coco.
So maybe video.
Yep.
Maybe.
He's sleepy.
Yeah. Sleepy, yeah.
Yeah, because he's spoiled. Very spoiled.
You
man.
drive all times with.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah. I drive 12 to 14 hours a day, entertaining people.
Oh. What kinds of foods eat?
For the bird.
For bird.
In the morning, we get a double bacon from Starbucks.
Ah.
Yeah. He
Lunch, dinner.
He likes egg. He likes bread,
Ah.
rice. You know. He loves salmon.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Salmon.
Oh yeah. No, he eats. We eat together. Just off my plate. You know.
Eat any foods?
Any food.
No,
yeah.
any problem?
No.
Oh.
Human food's good. Human food's better than all that stuff they sell in the store. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a open eater. He's not that picky, you know.
Yeah.
He eats a lot of sunflower seeds.
But I think he's so tired, they need to sleep.
Who, the bird?
Yeah, but,
Oh, it's just the time of hour right now. Oh, bless you, Coco.
What happened? Oh my God.
So cute. Aw.
Finish with the video.
With them, look.
Oh, we're so lucky. Look at this. They're stuck. We're not.
Yeah.
But not to speak any voice?
Oh, he talks, he dances, he laughs, he kisses, he sneezes.
Ah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oops. Oh, yeah. It's a very, yeah, you see, this is him.
Wow.
Oh, did it? Oh. Oh my God.
So cool.
But now it's asleep. Ah.
He only has 420,000 followers.
Wow. Only. So cool. Wow, he's a really cool bird.
Yeah, they live 100 years.
Yeah.
See, look, he dances too.
Oh. Dancing.
Yeah.
Are you kidding? Ah.
Yeah, this is him today.
You also had to check that.
I want these rides. This is him today.
So beautiful.
You don't see something like this every day, you know?
No, never.
You
Never.
know, and then this is his 33 million views.
Wow.
You buy a lot of clothes, a lot of colors.
Yeah.
Expensive or not?
$50 each.
$50 each?
Yeah,
Are
man.
you kidding?
Yeah,
Oh,
after
man.
after this bird, you get no more Cheesecake Factory, man.
Oh my God.
So
$50.
Wow.
Yeah. He
So
flies
cool.
outdoors too.
Wow.
Never caged or clipped.
And he always has back.
Yeah. If you don't cage them, they'll come back.
Oh,
And we're from Maui.
so smug.
Oh yeah.
How long have you had him?
Since he was 2 months old for 8 years. Yeah. So that's
Cool.
that's Coco.
Coco's adorable.
So cool.
Thank you.
Ato switch.
Can you have her talk or have him talk?
Right now he's very tired.
Sleepy.
I'd have to like really bother him and really get him like energized. But I don't want to do that to him because he's very relaxed, you know.
Yeah.
But I can get him to kiss. Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy.
Oh.
Kiss daddy.
Oh my God.
So cute.
Ah, so smug.
Yeah.
Ah.
Wow. So cool.
Such a happy place. Waikiki.
So nice.
Beautiful area. How many years you live here?
1 week.
1 week only.
Yeah, from Maui. The
Ah.
island that burned down.
Ah.
I was there 11 years.
You live in Maui?
Yeah, 11 years. I still do. I still have a place
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
But work is here. There's no work there now.
Wow. There's not tourists.
Exactly.
Wow.
Now, I don't know if it's going to be on the right or the left. But I,
It's on the right. I
It's on the
see it.
right?
It's on the
Right.
right side, yeah.
That's good.
Oh, I see it.
Thank you so much. Here, good.
Yeah, you're welcome. I'll park right here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's so nice. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
All right, guys.
Thank you so much.
Have a nice day.
Be careful coming